Whopper Cake by Karma Wilson and Will Hillenbrand. To Hildy, who has been known to deviate from a recipe or two, but always cooks with love. KW. For Pat and Ken, with special thanks to Emma and Ann. WH. Today is Grandma's birthday, and Granddad has an itchin' to bake a Whopper chocolate cake and traumatize the kitchen. Grandma scolds, "Now listen up, don't make a fuss, you hear? Land sakes, I swear your cakes are getting bigger every year." While Grandma runs some errands, Granddad ties his apron tight, props the tattered cookbook up, and sets to do things right. Right odd, that is. Who thought up this recipe? The cake will be too small. If I can't make a Whopper cake, I'll bake no cake at all. Granddad grabs a bowl and spoon and makes a frightful clatter. Ingredients go flying as he starts to mix the batter. "I'm sure no cook," says Granddad, "but it would seem to me 2 cups of sugar ain't enough. I'll put in 23. 23 pounds, that is." Granddad cries, "This bowl won't do," and scratches at his head. "Eureka! I have just the thing. We'll use the pickup bed. Go start the old jalopy, boys, and back it in real tight. Grandma's gonna be surprised when she gets home tonight." Recipe says 4 fresh eggs. In go 86. Recipe says 2 cups flour. 10 go in the mix. 10 bags, that is. "I need a bigger stirring stick. This spoon is mighty poor. Head down to the fishing boat and fetch me up an oar." Granddad holds the paddle firm and sets himself to mixin'. "I'm thinking that old cook stove might not hold this cake we're fixin'." Recipe says 1 pinch salt. Granddad pinches more. Recipe says 1 cup cocoa. In go 24. 24 boxes, that is. Granddad licks the mixing oar. It tastes just like a dream. But Grandma likes her birthday cake topped off with fresh ice cream. Let's head down to the market, boys, and buy up all they've got. A treat so cold is pleasing on a day so scorching hot. The drive to town is mighty warm this day in mid-July. While that sun is blazing down, that cake is raising high. 10 feet high, that is. Driving home, we're followed by a chocolate-scented cloud, and when folks get a whiff of it, there gathers quite a crowd. No one's ever seen a cake so big and wide and tall. Granddad cries, "Step right up, there's plenty here for all." Everybody pitches in to help us decorate. With shovels we spread frosting, then we settle down to wait. Wait to dig in, that is. We all hide till Grandma comes. And then we yell, "Surprise!" And when she sees that birthday cake, she can't believe her eyes. "All this fuss for me?" she asks. "But why, for heaven's sake?" "Your heart's so big," says Granddad. "You deserve a Whopper cake." Grandma blows her candles out. "I've got one wish, I guess. I'll enjoy this Whopper cake." And you clean up the mess. The Whopper mess, that is. You can bake a Whopper cake. Granddad says, first you need to gather the ingredients. Ask your favorite grown-up to help you rustle up the following.